What's good everyone, and in this video we are going to have a quick Bitcoin update, and after that we are going to discuss a gaming gem that has the potential to give up to 5x returns from now. And 5x in my opinion is really a really conservative figure. It can give up to 10x returns and even more than that in upcoming times, who knows, right? So why wait, let's begin with the video without further ado. So talking about Bitcoin, we are repeatedly facing resistance from previous 5 days from 200 daily moving average. So a close about 200 daily moving average will be a really bullish scenario. And talking about bullish scenario, we have a bullish divergence over here, a bullish RSI divergence. So look, the price from here is really in sideways, right? Not going upwards, but RSI is going upward. In such a scenario, the price is bound to have a little bounce, and maybe we can see this 52,000 area again, which has multiple resistance, and get rejected from that area, and who knows, maybe again test this red line. Talking about this red line, this support still stands strong. I have been talking about this red line in my previous video and has repeatedly talked about red line from past 1 month in my Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined Telegram channel, you have been missing in lots of emergency update. So I would recommend, please join my Telegram channel as soon as possible. So talking about that gaming gem, it is Titan Arena. So Titan Arena is available in Android. If you don't have access to laptop, you can download it in your mobile and play games. It's also available in iOS, and it's also available of course in Windows PC. So the main thing about it is it has 15 million active players. 15 million players are playing this game. So it is really a popular game, and it's gonna have a really good impact in future regarding price. So before talking about price, let us talk what this game is all about. So it's a MOBA NFT game. MOBA stands for, I'm sorry, please deal with my fumble. MOBA stands for Multiple Online Battle Arena. So here's a quick gaming review by the website itself. You can see a quick glimpse of how the game is being played. It's an action game, and there are multiple modes to play this game, which we will discuss now. So first is Battle Royale game. The classic example of Battle Royale is a popular mobile game, PUBG. So the main objective is to stay alive and be the last man standing, right? Along with Battle Royale, there's also a deathmatch mode where you have to I'm sorry, you have to form a group of 4 players and battle with others, lead your teammates and bring them all to a glorious victory. Next is a superstar mode, in which we may have to collect some superstars and win the game. And the last one is Tower Destroy mode, where the objective is to rush towards the enemy base and bring down their tower. Alright? So to play this game, you can play it free of course, and collect these NFTs and sell it in marketplace to make money. And if you want some extra power, if you want edge against your opponents, you can buy these NFTs from marketplace and use it in your game to have an enhanced performance and a little edge over your enemies, right? So you can play it for free if you want, and if you are willing to make some investment, you can purchase these NFTs and use it as an avatar in your game. So moving forward, what's Titan Coin? So there are 2 coins in this project, and first one is Titan Coin. So Titan Coin is our in-game currency, the website states. So you play the game and you win Titan Coins, which you can exchange for real money. You can trade them, and you can use them to open Titan box, which will give access to many other things like a loot box. Alright. So next is its governance token called Titan Gem. So classic example to explain governance token and in-game currency would be AXS token for Axie Infinity, and SLP token is its in-game currency. Alright. So that may clear your doubts. So Titan Gem is also free to earn. it can be used if you want to invest in this game. It can also be used to staking, and through which you will get various staking rewards. So let's talk about team. So the team seems to be pretty expensive. I'm sorry, forgive my fumble. The team seems to be pretty experienced in gaming field. They are not new people. So the founder was former CEO of Bika Solution. The blockchain advisor is also the co-founder of Cardia Chain, the chain in which this game is based on, and you can check out rest of the team members if you want to. So moving forward, here's the roadmap of the token. So the roadmap is up to 1 year from now, that is Q1 2023. You can check this out in complete details in their website. So moving forward, here's the investors and partners of the token. You can see there are numerous partners and they are all well reputed. You can Google about each of them to know in complete details. Alright. So moving forward, let's go to CoinMarketCap. The price right now is around 6.66 USDT. Alright. And its market cap is really low. See, its rank is 2828 in CoinMarketCap and market cap is around $4.5 billion, right? So that's in terms of crypto a really low market cap, which can easily 5x in my opinion, which can give easy 5x returns. But once again, it's a small project, so it can be manipulated by whales or by big investors. So do not put large amounts, only put amount that you are willing to lose, that you will be fine if the amount goes to zero. Alright. So it's not a right idea to buy from what a YouTuber suggests, because us as a YouTuber can only give our opinion and we are not financial advisor. So please do your own research before making investment into a new project. So looking at technicalities, the $6 seems to be a good support, right? 6 USDT. So if you get this token at $6 or below it would be a really good purchase in my opinion. It would be a nice deal. I am around a 30+% profit in it. So yeah, if I see the coin again visiting this area of below $6, I would obviously add some new tokens to my portfolio. Also, to be careful is the resistance around here. So it's at 7.79 area. There's this strong resistance which was earlier a strong support. You can see over here it gave support to the price, over here also it gave support, and over here also it gave support. The coin, its all-time high was at around 24.8839. Alright, so nearly it was 4x from current price. Alright, so nearly it can make a new all-time high and give us all a huge profit. So if we want to check at how much deep it is right now, so it's available at around 73% discount. So it won't be a bad deal, right? In a long run, not rum, guys. In long run. I'm sorry. So in long run, this coin has a potential to give us a good returns. So that was it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And let us meet with another video and with some more amazing update about cryptocurrency. Have a good day.